This is the X80 by WypAll. And what I mean by this, these really cool cloths. There's 475 cloths, and look how big they are. Check this out. So we're going to, there you go. Look at this. They're heavy duty, like I said. This one here is the heavy duty absorbent one. I wanted to show you exactly what we're talking about here. I bought this for a shop that does a lot of dirty work with trucks, with heavy duty machinery, always oily. I'm going to do an example here with water, but I gotta say, today was my first time witnessing with oil, with literally dripping grease. And the guys were just like wiping everything with this WypAll, and it worked flawlessly, much better than any kind of rag that I've ever purchased before. This thing actually works, and I love the fact that it doesn't just disintegrate in your hand when you're wiping or when you're done. So cool. So I've just got a little bit of water, and let's see how much, and this is the cool thing with this, is that you're wetting it, and I'm just gonna wet it entirely. I'm just gonna grab all that water. There you go. So I'm gonna wet it entirely. I wanna show you how still incredibly solid. It's not falling apart. I could continuously wipe something out, wring it out and actually continue using it. It is, I mean, it feels like real cloth, like real, but it's paper. It's super easy to use. And I love the fact that I have this on a spinning roller, and the guys just like walk by, they're a lot stronger. So you just grab one time and then you just grab it and go. And honestly, right now it's not even just for hands. Like I said, we usually line it, and I've seen that today, we line it under trucks while they're doing oil changes and things like that. This thing continues to surprise me. I bought a bunch, and I can't wait to use more. And this is definitely not the last time that this garage will be using this.